Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off eye shield mode in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To turn our shield off, we have to swipe from the top again, and our eye comfort shield is here. To turn it off, we just click it, tap it once. But we can also go to the settings. Let's reset. We can go to the settings. We need to find display option here, and eye comfort shield is here. Tap it once, it's off. And we can also go from the shortcut. We just simply have to tap and hold, and here we are in our options here. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.